Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to cover how to install Kodak Verite 50 printer on your Windows computer. To install this printer you will require to download its driver first and then install it. I will show you which driver you will require, where you can download and how to install it. Please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. Download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, right click on that and click on extract to. It will create a folder and you will get a folder printer driver and scanner driver. In the printer driver you will get two folders, 32-bit and 64-bit. If your computer is 32-bit, then use 32-bit folder. If your computer is 64-bit, then you can use 64-bit driver. After that, let's see how to install it. You will have to install it manually, so let's see how to install it. Click on Start menu and click on Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. After that, click on Printer and Scanners and then click on Add Device. And then click on the link Add a printer, add a new device manually. If it is asking for permission, please click on Yes. Choose the last option, add a local printer, and then click on Next. Now it is asking for the port, so please choose port USB 001 and USB 002. I recommend you to choose USB 001. After that, click on Next. Now it is asking for the drivers, so please click on Have Disk and then click on Browse and go to the location where we have extracted the drivers. Select folder, Kodak folder and printer driver and 64-bit and choose the last option, INF driver file, this one, and click on Open. Click on OK. Now choose the model number, Kodak Verite 50 series, and click on Next. Click on Next again. It is installing the drivers, so please wait here. Choose the option Do not share this printer and then click on Next. Click on Next again. As you can see, the printer has been installed successfully, this one. You can try to print from the test print. Click on Print a Test Page. So this is how you can install this Kodak Verite 50 series printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video by making this video, so please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.